So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video is a very interesting thing that we are going to do. We are going to scale this tiny little buddy right over here of size of this thing right over here. So this both are in a zero size, which is scaled to 1 is to 200. If you don't know how to scale objects in a particular scale, then I have made a separate video for that. So and the second challenge that we have over here is this thing is rotated at an angle of 45 degree, and this thing is straight. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can go forward with in this thing. One is a little bit longer way, and second one is a shorter way. So we'll go with the shorter way first, and then you can just skip the video if you don't feel doing the second one, right? So the first thing that we are going to do is align the plan with align option. There we're going to select the first whole thing, then the first source right over here, we are going to place it over here, and the second line, which is of this point, we are going to take it over here, and we are going to press enter, and the computer will ask you that you want to scale the object based on the points. You have to select yes, and that's it. Your drawing has been scaled in the same way that you wanted. Now you can just move it apart a bit, maybe a north on, and that's it. You can go on with your uh, drawing. And the second option that we had is that I'll do just control Z. If we have the second option, that is from the scale option, then let's say just a second, let's say the plan is like this, and now you want to scale it like this. So for this there is also a very easy thing to do, that is scale sc enter. For then you have to specify the intersection point, that is the base point, and then you have to select the option with a drop down right over here, that is reference, as you can see with the black dot. And there you have to select the first 2 points of the smaller thing, and you have to drag it to the end of the A0 point, and this both things are now scaled at the same size. As you know, I told you in the starting of the video itself that it is an A0 size, that is scaled at a scale of 1 is to 200. So these are the two projects right now I'm working on, and I thought so of sharing the way to do it with you guys too. So yeah, that's it for the video, and if you like, then share, like, share, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Okay.